right, here we go. Got them a couple filters from the Home Depot. 2 system commercial tune-ups. So I always like to start on the outside because in commercial buildings, everything's going to be more dusty than a regular home. That's just the way it is. So I always like to take off all the dust and all the gunk off the outside of the units first, and you can see how clogged up everything is and how much algae is actually inside of the units. Mold and mildew and whatever else is growing inside of the system. Now that's pretty typical, and it's pretty common for mold to start growing inside of an air conditioner in South Florida. It's super humid, very, very humid. So I soap everything out, everything inside the cabinet, wash everything out with a rag, and just go around the sides and get all the dirt and the debris off. Make sure it's nice and clean. I don't remove any stickers, just in case if I ever need anything for like the model or serial number. Got some really hot water, flushed down all the pans, vacuumed out all the algae and all the gunk. And you can see as soon as you put hot water inside that pan, it flushes all the gunk right outside. This one was stacked on a main stack, so both the drains for both the units went into an 1.5-inch PVC pipe that ran to the outside. So the only way you can really clean it is vacuum it from the inside and then flush it with some hot water. Soaped all the coils, soaped all the pans. And there we go. Cleaned all the panels itself. Got a little bit on the floor. Cleaned all the panels off the unit. That's nice and clean. Here we go, the 2 outside units. So there was nothing above them, so there wasn't really too much leaves or dust or sticks or whatever else that could fly into it. So I just soaped everything out, opened up all the fan motors, went around with the soap gun on both units, washed everything out with a hose. And these were relatively clean. Now these are older R22 systems, but I guarantee you if he does maintenance on them every 6 months, you'll never have to worry about anything. Everything's checking out. Everything's exactly the way it's supposed to be. These R22 air conditioners lasted way longer and they break way less than the other 4 newer air conditioners. You got to use a crescent wrench to open up all the electrical panels. Check all the electronics, check the pressures. We are good to go.